let me go back to my main project. Okay, we have the tasks. We have the annotators, which started working on different tasks. There are also other productivity tools that you can use. You can tag your tasks, for instance, assign different tags to them. For instance, if you want to train a new model or to fine-tune the model, you can select certain tasks for the training and certain tasks for the testing of the model, so that your experiments are reproducible. As a manager, I will have access to all of the annotators completions and also to the reviewer. And as you've seen before, I'm able to assign one or more annotators and reviewers for each one of those tasks.